Hi everyone, in this video I want to share an update from Social Security. They just put it out today, March 17th, 2025, and it's some information related to death records. And why is this very important? Because some people's Social Security numbers may be terminated by them in error. Let me go over what they say here, and we'll get into a bit more detail so you can see more of what I mean. Okay, so here is the page where they updated the information today. This is from Social Security, and they say that every year more than 3 million death reports are sent to them. They claim that processing these records is highly accurate. However, as you can see here, they also mention that even though the accuracy is very high, it's not 100%. Less than 1/3 of 1% of cases are reported incorrectly and need to be corrected. And in the next part, you'll see that they also mention that most death reports come to Social Security from third parties. There are also cases where reports come from various sources, such as family members, funeral homes, federal agencies, and financial institutions. According to a 2008 audit report, their inspector general stated that the majority of death reports actually come from funeral homes or the deceased person's friends and family. In cases like these, they can verify the information and update the person's Social Security record immediately. However, sometimes mistakes happen. Someone is reported as deceased when they are actually still alive. This kind of error can have serious consequences for those affected directly, and in some cases, it can even impact their families. And they also mention in this section that if someone suspects they have been mistakenly listed as deceased in Social Security's records while they are actually still alive, they should contact their local Social Security office as soon as possible. It's important to bring at least original, valid, and unexpired identification documents to help resolve the issue. Social Security will immediately take steps to correct the records and can provide a confirmation letter stating that the error has been fixed. This letter can be used to explain the situation to any organizations, government agencies, workplaces, or any other places where problems may have arisen due to this mistake. So this is the information they just updated. I also want to add a little more here. You've probably seen discussions recently about Social Security records still being active for many people over 100 years old. They mention that they are working on addressing these issues and reducing the number of cases where records of deceased individuals remain active in their system. These are likely complex cases where they haven't been able to verify enough information to fully deactivate the Social Security number. Even though benefits may have already stopped, they might not have completed the process to fully close out the record. Moving forward, they might be working faster on these cases, and that could lead to some errors in the process. That could be why they are emphasizing that if anyone is mistakenly listed as deceased, they should contact Social Security immediately to have their records corrected. I really hope this doesn't happen to anyone, because if Social Security incorrectly deactivates someone's number, it can have very serious consequences. It could affect a person's ability to use their health insurance, access financial services, continue working, or handle important legal matters. Having your Social Security number suddenly deactivated like that is a major issue. Okay, everyone, that's a little update from Social Security that I wanted to share. I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone.